My name is Alex and I trade Bitcoin futures, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be discussing why Bitcoin price action has been so unpredictable over the last 2 or 3 weeks. And the key concept here is something called dwell time and dwell blocks. This concept was first introduced to me by Cento Trades, so I'd recommend you check them out. And it basically stems from this idea that how do exchanges and how do market makers make money? Well, it's through liquidations, right? More so this cycle than previous cycles. And the way for liquidations to occur is that price action has to spend time consolidating in a certain range. So what I did here basically was draw some key support and resistance lines, which I've held over the last 2 or 3 weeks, as you can see here. You can even see on this chart that price has pretty predictably moved between these support and resistance lines or dwell blocks, right? The pattern which seems to hold is that when there's a consolidation below a dwell block, such as here, the next move appears to be downwards, right? So here's an example. First example, here's a second example. It consolidates below the dwell block, moves down. Here as well, it consolidates below the dwell block, move down. But when it consolidates slightly above, that means that there is normally a slightly higher move, right? So here, for example, it consolidates slightly above, move up. It can consolidate mainly above here, move up. Thanks a lot, and tune in soon.